Southern Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is having an absolutely wonderful day. And like I said, thank you for coming back, checking out this new video. Make sure to hit subscribe if you are new. You're already here. You don't want to miss any future videos. And we do have a 1,000 subscriber giveaway going on. The prize is pretty awesome, if I do say so myself. So make sure you subscribe, and I will leave a link down below to get you entered. But without further ado, as you can see from the description down below, we do have some new items here. They were kindly sent to me for review and to share with you guys. So let's go ahead and dive in, and I will give you all the information, and I will make sure to link everything below. If you like something, you can head over. This was from an Etsy site, and make a purchase and get something for yourself. So the name of the shop is by Kimmy. It's B-Y-K-I-M-M-I-E. Like I said, I will leave a link down below. She does also have a blog and another Etsy page that is more of an art type page. So again, I will leave links for all of that down below. But we're gonna go ahead and get on in here and see just exactly what she sent me. Like I said, this was kindly sent to me to share with you guys. So I am really excited to see everything that is in here. All right, the first thing I'm seeing, everything's wrapped up all nicely. The first thing here, oh, these are pretty, are some different earrings, some tassel earrings. So we have a large pair that is a beautiful purple. Let's see. So pretty. I do know that the long tassel earrings are $19 plus shipping and handling. I think the shipping is going to vary based on your location. So those are really pretty. Then we have a pair here that are the medium tassel. They are in a really pretty red color. They are $18 plus shipping and handling. Again, the shipping and handling is going to vary based on your location. And then finally here, for the first little package, we have a small pair of tassel earrings in this beautiful blue turquoise aqua color. They're also $18 plus shipping and handling. So those are super cute. I think I may end up putting one pair of these in the giveaway. So I'm definitely gonna keep these because these are absolutely gorgeous. And I love this color. So I'm gonna debate maybe on the red or the purple pair to throw into the giveaway. And let's see what else. Oh, this is pretty. Again, it was nicely wrapped. This is how it comes. It's tied up. And it is a silk headband or neckerchief. And it does show here on the card. And it says, oh, it's 100% silk. It does show here on the card different ways that you could wear it. That is super cute. Let's see. Get this off. Oh, you guys, that is so pretty. It's a purple, beautiful purple, and then come down and it kind of fades into this beautiful magenta and some gold accent. That is so cute. That is gorgeous. This I know is $26 with free shipping. And I believe she does have a variety of the types of design here. And also with the earrings, I do want to add that she has a variety of colors. So you can pick, you know, if you choose the small, they're not always going to just be the blue. You can pick what color you want the tassel earrings to be. So that is so cute. I'm definitely looking forward to playing around with that and seeing what kind of looks we can make. And then we've got one more thing here wrapped up. Let's see what is in here. All right. All right, it looks like we've got some stickers. This is what I was saying. She does artwork as well. That's super cute. With this here, that is also cute. And going with this last one here, this is something you can purchase. This is a rainbow Hanbok bookmark. That is so cute. And it is $5 with shipping and handling, or $5 plus shipping and handling. So that is so, so beautiful. And then the final item, this is absolutely gorgeous. This is the Peacock Flapper Girl. It's a print. This is the size 4x6, so this is $12 with free shipping. How beautiful is that, you guys? That is so, so pretty. Like, she clearly loves her work and takes so much pride in it. Like I said, that is just so pretty. Oh my goodness. So we got lots of goodies. Thank you so much, Kimmy. I really do appreciate it. Again, guys, if you liked any of these items or want to check out all of her other stuff, I will make sure to link her jewelry page for Etsy as well as her art page and her blog. Everything will be down below so you can check her stuff out and get you some beautiful stuff. So I hope you enjoyed. Again, please make sure you're already here to tap that subscribe button and make sure to see all of our future videos. I hope everyone has a wonderful rest of your Monday, and I will talk with you guys soon. Bye.